Greetings, this is Chris from Tantalizing Tech. CES 2023 completed recently, and HP has unveiled some really exciting and new tech. This particular episode will only focus on the HP Elite X360 1040 G10 laptop. Please stick around until the end to see if this laptop is tantalizing. But first, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. As I mentioned, we will now discuss the HP Elite X360 1040 G10 laptop. The HP Elite X360 1040 G10 comes with a 360-degree hinge to display and tint, laptop, stand or presentation, and tablet modes. In addition, the HP Elite 360 has the laptop mode displayed here. The HP Elite 360 1040 G10 has a 360-degree hinge to display and tint, laptop, stand, and tablet modes. The stand or presentation mode is displayed here. As mentioned before, the HP Elite X360 1040 has a 360-degree hinge to display and tint, laptop, stand, and tablet modes. The tablet mode is displayed here. In addition to the other modes that are out there, the tint mode is displayed here. As mentioned before, the HP laptop has a 360-degree hinge to display in tint, laptop, stand, and tablet modes. In particular, the laptop mode is displayed here. The HP Elite X360 1040 G10 only comes in an Intel version. In terms of the port selection, the HP Elite X360 1040 G10, going on the left-hand side of the laptop, and of course going from left to right, has a HDMI version 2.0 port, a USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second port, which is charging, and two USB Thunderbolt Type-C ports on the left-hand side of this laptop. The HP Elite X360 1040 G10 has a webcam that comes with a 5 megapixel privacy camera with 88 degrees field of view, temporal noise reduction, and infrared. In addition, HP includes the Bang & Olufsen's dual speakers with discrete amps. HP includes the Wi-Fi option of Wi-Fi 6E with a 2x2 array. Bluetooth options with this laptop are the Bluetooth 5.3. HP also includes an optional M.2 WWAN 4G or 5G interface. Also, this is an X360 convertible form factor. The HP Elite X360 1040 G10 weighs in at 2.98 pounds or 1.333 kilograms. If we look at the port selection on the right-hand side of the laptop, going from left to right, the HP Elite X360 1040 G10 has a nano SIM slot, a Kensington lock slot, a USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second port, which is non-charging, and a combination headphone microphone port. The HP Elite X360 1040 G10 has Intel 13 generation processors. In terms of the memory options that are available for the HP Elite X360 1040 G10, you could get up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5 soldered memory. In addition, for the HP Elite X360 1040 G10, it comes with up to 2 terabytes of PCIe NVMe Generation 4 standard and encrypted SSDs. Furthermore, with the HP Elite X360 1040 G10 laptop, you can have a display option which includes a 16 by 10 version for the 14-inch laptop, a WUXGA IPS 250 nits bright view display. You could also choose a 16 by 10 version, 14-inch WUXGA IPS 400 nits, low power, low blue light, bright view with auto camera select option. In addition, you could choose a 16 by 10 version for the 14-inch laptop with a WUXGA IPS Sure View, Reflect, Low Blue Light, and also with the Auto Camera Select option. Furthermore, there is a 16 by 10 version for the 14-inch laptop with the WQXGA 500 nits, 120 hertz display. In terms of graphic card options that come with the HP Elite X360 1040 G10, it comes with the Intel integrated graphics. In terms of port selection for the HP Elite X360 1040 G10, on the top we have the left-hand side of the laptop. On the bottom we have the right-hand side of the laptop. If we choose the top photograph, which is the left-hand side of the laptop, we have a HDMI version 2.0 port, a USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second charging port, a 2 USB Type-C Thunderbolt ports, which also does display charging and transfer. In addition, there's also a smart card reader, which is optional. The right-hand side of the HP Elite X360 1040 G10, if we're going from left to right, has a nano SIM slot, a Kensington lock slot, a USB Type-A 5 gigabits per second port, which is non-charging, and a combination headphone microphone jack. In terms of the HP Elite X360 1040 G10, there are a couple of battery options. There's a 38 watt hour lightweight or a 51.3 watt hour long life battery, and both of them include HP fast charge. For the HP Elite X360 1040 G10, it also charges via the USB-C 65 watt adapter. And now, what we really want to know is this laptop tantalizing? But before we get to whether the HP Elite X360 1040 G10 is tantalizing, I want to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. And now the decision as to whether the HP Elite X360 1040 G10 is tantalizing. In terms of the verdict, I can't give a complete verdict of tantalizing. So I had to give it a rating of possibly tantalizing. And the reason being is because I need to know the processor options. In terms of details, HP didn't provide any information on the processors at the time of this video. I have also listed in terms of features, tantalizing, monotonous, and unalluring features. In, in this particular video, I will go over the summary of the tantalizing features. We have Intel 13th generation processors, but we haven't really received details, so I can't make a conclusive tantalizing comment about the laptop. In terms of the webcam, it includes a 5 megapixel privacy cam, 88 degrees field of view, temporal noise reduction, infrared camera. It also includes up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5 soldered memory. For the other options like monotonous and unalluring features, you could choose to pause the video and go over those yourself. Other tantalizing features of the laptop include the 16 by 10 version, 14-inch WQXGA 500 nit 120 hertz display, which is very, very rare in terms of laptops going at a speed of 120 hertz. In addition, there's the Bang & Olufsen dual speakers with discrete amps. Furthermore, HP includes Wi-Fi 6E in a 2x2 array and also gives you an optional 4G or 5G option. Furthermore, there's also Bluetooth 5.3. And as mentioned before, you can go over the monotonous and unalluring options. Other tantalizing features are this laptop has a 360 compatibility with a 360-degree hinge to display intent, laptop, presentation, and tablet modes. It also has two USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports with 40 gigabytes of speed. Furthermore, this laptop has a headphone microphone combination port. And I know you might be saying, hey, Chris, why is this tantalizing? Because a lot of laptop manufacturers aren't including this on new laptops. Therefore, you have to carry around a lot of adapters to have a headphone or a microphone port. Furthermore, this laptop includes fast charge with 50% charging in 30 minutes and includes a 65-watt smart AC power adapter. As mentioned before, you can go over some of the other monotonous or unalluring features when you pause the video. Other tantalizing features for this laptop include up to 2 terabytes of PCIe NVMe Generation 4 standard and encrypted SSD drives. It also includes SIM card interface for the 4G or 5G. Furthermore, there's a backlit and spill-resistant keyboard with fingerprint reader that's included, along with multi-touch gesture support for the clickpad. Thank you again for watching Tantalizing Tech. I have been your host, Chris. Once again, I wanted to remind you to subscribe if you feel that this video is tantalizing. Leave a comment saying, I subscribed, and I will do my best to personally reply to as many comments as I can. Wow, now that was tantalizing. Thank you.